you're a physician, nurse practitioner, or a physician assistant who's looking to create additional income streams outside of your day-to-day clinical work, you're in exactly the right place. I'm Dr. Anand Chaturvedi, a psychiatrist, clinical researcher, and a member of the Speakers Bureau for several pharmaceutical companies. Every week, I share practical, inspiring content to help medical professionals like you build a life and career that offers freedom, purpose, and financial expansion. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Now, today, I want to introduce you to a very powerful income stream that many clinicians are just beginning to explore. It's a way to use your medical knowledge, your communication skills, and your credibility to educate your peers and get paid well for doing it. I'm talking about becoming a promotional speaker for pharmaceutical companies. Right now, I'm actually in Chicago for the weekend, and I'm attending a speaker training event for one of the pharmaceutical companies I work with. Now, due to contractual reasons, I can't mention the name of the company, but I can tell you it's been inspiring, educational, and so much fun. These events are packed with value. There's clinical updates, there's communication training, and there's opportunities to meet fellow speakers and colleagues and leaders in the mental health and neuroscience field. Now, I want you to imagine being in a room with passionate professionals who are deeply involved in advancing psychiatric care and neuroscience. You're hearing about cutting-edge science, engaging in discussions about patient care, and you're connecting with people who truly understand the challenges and triumphs of clinical practice. These weekends remind me why I went into medicine in the first place. And one of the best parts, that networking. I've had conversations this weekend with clinicians, researchers, and thought leaders who have introduced me to new possibilities, from research trials to advisory boards to future speaking events. The more you say yes to these kind of opportunities, the more doors start opening professionally. Now, let's talk about the income potential. Pharmaceutical speaking can be very rewarding financially. Most companies pay you a professional honorarium for each presentation you give. Depending on the company and the format, you could earn several $1,000s per talk. Now, some programs are in person, like a lunch or dinner talk, or in the office, and some are virtual. But all of them are designed for peer-to-peer education. Often your travel, hotel, and meals are fully covered for not only the speaker training, but for the live events as well. I remember my first speaker programs way back in 2005. It was a dinner event at a local restaurant with about 10 providers. I was nervous, but once I started talking about the data, the mechanism of action, and the patient outcomes, I felt totally in my element. And when I got that first check, it hit me. This is something I can do regularly and supplement my clinical income. It's aligned with my training, it's professionally fulfilling, and it pays well. Now, some of you might be wondering, do I need to be a key opinion leader to do this? Key opinion leaders are well-respected medical professionals who often speak at national conferences. They publish in journals, and they help shape treatment guidelines. Pharmaceutical companies love working with key opinion leaders because they're influential and highly experienced. But here's the good news. You don't need to be a key opinion leader to get started as a speaker. If you're a practicing clinician with good communication skills, a professional presence, and a desire to educate, you're already qualified to be considered for many speaking opportunities. Pharmaceutical companies value real-world voices who can connect with peers and present medical information responsibly. So how do you get started? I'm going to give you 4 tips. Number 1, let your pharmaceutical reps know you're open to speaking. They can refer you to their speaker coordinators or medical affairs teams. Now, number 2, keep your CV updated. Highlight clinical experiences, board certifications, any teaching or speaking that you've done, and if you're part of any medical societies. Now, 3, say yes to speaker training programs. they'll prepare you and build your confidence, just like the one I'm attending this weekend. Number 4, be professional and be compliant with the FDA guidelines. You'll present only company-approved slides and remain on label and follow all FDA guidelines at all times. You're not selling, you're educating. And here's another benefit that I love. It's the travel. You get to visit great cities like Chicago, meet inspiring people, and enjoy professional experiences that feel energizing instead of exhausting. It's a refreshing break from the clinical grind, but you're still deeply connected to your purpose as a healthcare professional. If you're feeling stuck in the day-to-day clinical work and you're craving variety, growth, or just a new way to use your skills, this path could be for you. Pharmaceutical speaking has helped me expand my income, reignite my passion for psychiatry, and grow a strong professional network in the mental health space. And it can do the same for you. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps the channel. Drop a comment below and let me know. Are you interested in becoming a speaker, or are you already speaking for pharmaceutical companies? Let's start a conversation. I read every comment. And remember, I post videos every week about building income, freedom, and impact beyond clinical medicine. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.